In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to electronically sign a contract from Next. But before I get started, I just want to explain briefly how it works. A Next user with permissions to start a signature process can start it with a click of a button in Next. Signing information is added to the contract document and is sent off to DocuSign to be signed electronically. Signers receive a notification email and sign the contract individually. When the signing is done, the signed contract is automatically returned to Next and after a retention period also deleted from the DocuSign account. In Next, I have a contract document that's ready for electronic signing. I open the document and go and check if the finalized edition is ready. It is. Now I'm ready to sign. I can now choose electronic signature, and here I have two options, with or without ID verification. I choose without. Now a form opens where I can input the signer details. I have an employee and a manager, and I just have to fill out the name and the email for each of the signers. And finally, I also can add subject and message to the email notification that's going to be sent out through DocuSign. Once that's done, I can click Send for signature. And the document and the information I just added is sent off to DocuSign for signing. Now each of the signers have received a notification email from DocuSign individually. Here, Martin Jensen have received an email, clicked the link, and now he can see the employment agreement directly in DocuSign. Fairly easy and quickly, he can sign the document, and that's it, he's done. Now, the next signer is up. Now the second signer has also received a notification email from DocuSign. Chloe Valdez can here sign the document as well as the employer, and she clicks on the position to sign, and she is done. From Next, Chloe can watch the signature process and see when each signer have completed their task. And she will also be able to find the electronically signed document, which has been automatically returned from DocuSign into Next. And she scrolls down, and here you'll find that both signatures have been added, so the task is done. That's all. Thanks for watching.
Next Way, making good business run better.